In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make components responsive in Framer. We'll be working inside Framer and turning a page element into a component that can be adjusted more flexibly for responsive layouts. This is a useful workflow because components make it much easier to reuse design elements and control how they behave across different screen sizes. Start by opening Framer, then go into the project you want to work on. Once the project is open, head over to the Layers panel so you can clearly see the structure of your project. From there, click on Desktop. This helps you make sure you're targeting the correct page or layout area before creating the component. Next, right-click directly on your page. In the menu that appears, choose Create Component. Framer will then prompt you to name it, so type in a component name that makes sense for what you're building. Keeping names clear and organized will make your project much easier to manage later, especially if you create multiple reusable elements. After naming it, click Create. Now that the component has been created, select your new component so its settings appear in the right-hand panel. This is where you'll start preparing it for responsive behavior. Look for the direction setting and click on it. Direction controls how content inside the component is arranged, which is important when adapting layouts for different screen widths. After that, click Create Variable. This allows you to make the direction setting more dynamic, which is a key part of building responsive components in Framer. By connecting this setting to a variable, you set yourself up to control layout behavior more efficiently as your design changes. And that's the process for creating a component and starting to make it responsive in Framer. Take your time with naming and selection because those small details make the rest of your workflow much smoother.